Oh, loudmouth, hi. This one's just harder to get into. Yeah, I see you over there, Bubba. I hear you over there, Bubba. You and your ladies. Hey, Blue. What are you and your girls doing? There's the other girls. Alaska Annie, yeah. There's Tallulah. There's my rooster that my mom gave me. Just run. Yeah. That's Blue. Oh, that's Blue. Mom gave me that rooster because Drake died. Don't you poop on camera. This is not cute for you to poop. I thought I just saw a squirrel up there. I did. Look at them pretty chickens. Thought y'all might want to see the new chickens. Yeah. What you guys doing? You want to look at yourself? Say hi. You want to look at yourself? Huh, Blue? Oh my goodness. Sorry, I don't mean to make it blur. What you two Americana babies doing? What? Who wants to come in the frame? Huh, Blondie? You gonna go in frame? Blondie's the orange one. Yep. Blondie's the orange one. I'll show you the rest of them. Anybody want a Polish rock mix? Bardock and Polish. I'll sell them for a good amount. Hi, Speedy. Hi, Speedy. Yeah. That one's already got girlfriends and a home. Don't you, Sonny? Don't you, Sonny? He's already been sold. He's letting his grass grow. He's a little cutie, though. Opal's preening himself. Mr. Duck! Opal! He says, I'm busy. Got this done. Got some big old goldfish in there. Who else wants to say hi? Huh? You want to say hi, feathered puppy dog? Oh. Feathered puppy dog. Uh-oh, and here comes the dogs themselves. Look at that feathered puppy dog. Rosie. My silkies. My procreating silkies. Yeah. I got babies running around. I don't know if you can see him, but he's back there. Doodle, you crazy dude. Yeah, he's crazy. I don't know where the other one's at. Where's Biscuit? Rosie, where's Biscuit? I know the baby ducks are here. Look at them cuties. Look at those cuties. They're a little bit bigger. What'd you do with Biscuit? Where's Biscuit at? Biscuit on the porch. Yep, there's Biscuit on the porch. Oh, there you go. And babies. Baby. Babies. Constantly run around getting into something. Where did you guys find the bag at? See, we don't know, but it was fun. Hey, mamas. You say hi? Mamas? Biscuit. I'm gonna be on camera. Mister. I'm gonna be on camera. Alright, there's Biscuit. There's a feather doggy. Biscuit. Biscuits and turkey gravy. So don't tell him my legal name. Oh, Mr. Still growing.